are you? How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. I'm fine, thanks.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Alex. My name is Alex.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Germany. I'm from Germany.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 20. I'm 20.
What do you do? What do you do?
I'm a student. I'm a student.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Berlin. I live in Berlin.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
I like blue. I like blue.
Do you have pets? Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock.
Are you busy? Are you busy?
Not really. Not really.
Can I help you? Can I help you?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Where are you going? What are you doing?
I'm reading a book. I'm
Do
reading a
you
book.
like music? Do you like music?
Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
I like pizza. I like pizza.
How's the weather? How's the weather?
It's sunny today. It's sunny today.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
A little bit. A little bit.
What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
I like drawing. I like drawing.
What are you doing? Where are you going?
To the park. To the park.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
In May. In May.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
A little. A little.
Do you want coffee? Do you want coffee?
Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
Nothing much. Nothing much.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Do you like movies? Do you like movies?
Yes, very much. Yes, very much.
What's your plan for today? What's your plan for today?
I'll study. I'll study.
Where's your phone? Where's your phone?
On the table. On the table.
Are you tired? Are you tired?
A bit. A bit.
What did you say? What did you say?
I said hello. I said hello.
Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
You too. You too.
See you later. See you later.
Take care. Take care.
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
At 7 a.m. At 7 a.m.
How's your family? How's your family?
They're fine. They're fine.
Do you like sports? Do you like sports?
Yes, football. Yes, football.
Are you free tonight? Are you free tonight?
Maybe. Maybe.
Let's go out. Let's go out.
Good idea. Good idea.
What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about?
Just life. Just life.
Do you like tea or coffee? Do you like tea or coffee?
Coffee, please. Coffee, please.
Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something?
Sure. Sure.
What's that? What's that?
It's my bag. It's my bag.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Almost. Almost.
Where's a bus stop? Where's a bus stop?
Over there. Over there.
Do you have time? Do you have time?
A few minutes. A few minutes.
Is this your book? Is this your book?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
What's your favorite song? What's your favorite song?
Perfect by Ed Sheeran. Perfect by Ed Sheeran.
Are you cold? Are you cold?
A little. A little.
Close a window, please. Close a window, please.
Okay. Okay.
Can you help me? Can you help me?
Of course. Of course.
What are friends for? What are friends for?
Exactly. Exactly.